Oval Track Racing News is a website with a jackpot of information about stock car racing assembled in one easy-to-access location. The site is a collection of links to relevant stories selected for the enjoyment of stock car racing fans everywhere. Mack Payne runs the site with help of writers from all over North America. Mack is a lifelong race fan and wanted to create a site filled with such topics the typical race fans would enjoy talking about while sitting on the back of a pickup under the shade of a pecan tree. The Oval Track Racing News has stories about all phases of oval track racing. It has articles about the big-time organizations such as NASCAR, ARCA, and Indy Racing, as well as your local tracks. Mack feels in addition to talking about the big boys, the guys and gals who race at the local short tracks should be recognized for their hard work and achievements too. For instance, DavY Reynolds' mother is just as proud of her son winning at Nutts Corner Raceway as if he was running at Daytona. Many times exciting stories come out of short track racing. Hot Rod Snellenberger always puts on a good show when he races in the Wisconsin area. Or you might like articles about some of the things racers do off the track, like Dave Conley up in Canada. If you like the old-time racers, you are in luck. Often there are articles featuring the racers from the past, like David Pearson, Wendell Scott, or Tony Lunn. If you like to follow the up-and-comers, we got you covered. New drivers are often featured in articles about rising stars such as Travis Pastrana, Darrell Wallace, or Alex Bowman. The layout of the site is basic by design. Its only purpose is to provide links to articles of interest. Articles are presented in a random fashion to encourage visitors to scan across the columns and savor the wide array of stock car racing topics presented. The goal is to present the visitor with an opportunity to casually peruse the articles undisturbed by flashy ads or pop-ups. If you are a stock car racing fan, bookmark our website and go there often to enjoy the steady stream of new articles added every day. You can find us on the internet at ovaltrackracingnews.com. Just click on the link below this video and you will be taken to the site right away. We hope you enjoy.